eggs in. Like don't taste it after eggs in, but you do all your seasoning, everything prior to you putting your egg in. Like I said, that's something you don't want. So now I'm gonna spray old reliables. Yes, I'm being bougie over here. Bringing something back from the old school cast iron. Olive oil. Mix. Tools and uses of him. I'm doing the wrong thing. And this is a little bit more the age hoop. Wish they had smell-o-vision. You guys will love this. These chunks. That's it, y'all. When you see this again, it'll be coming off of the grill. Alright, let me finish on the grill. Alright, see you guys in a few. Peace. Another beautiful day in Jacksonville. Yes, it is hot today. Planes flying overhead, birds chirping, at least my grass cut today. As you see, I got them on. I put now normally this goes down inside, but I didn't do it this time. Put this on top so I have a surface to set on so it heats from the bottom. Still gonna do the same way to do it, bring the heat up. The heat's gonna come around the dome, go back into the top. So it's still using the same results gonna have with the convection. I'm just doing a little bit different right now. All right, we close this up, give it a few minutes. When you come back, it'll be nice and cheesy. All right, now, you boy. See you later. Peace. Came off the grill, as you can see. I'm missing one, but that's okay though, because one was so hammer came off the grill, no joke. So, got the other one on standby. Relight the pit again. They got hot. Like I say, man, hey, they say the proof's in the pudding, but the proof's in the mat. You know, hey, I already made it. I already sold that one off top. Hey, man, everything was good. Look good, taste delicious. The smoke did its job as it caramelized everything over the top. We have good smoke on it. Smoke ring around the edges. Love it. Alright, well, that's another day. I'm finna get in here now and play with some chickens and see what's going on with that. Alright, have a good day. It's your boy Smitty, 1/2 of the best barbecue team in the nation. Peace.